Sochi.
Trouble don't enter village, yo.
All the way from Gabon,
Francophone, lavu lava.
Pali Palimwa,
C'est papaya.
Côte d'Ivoire,
Confusion day.
Palika Sochi.
Trouble don't enter village, yo.
All the way from Gabon,
Francophone, lavu lava.
Sochi my daughter,
C'est papaya.
qu'est-ce qu'un avion?
Confusion day.
Palika Sochi, baby two of a kind. Father and daughter, them choice in no be here. All the ladies don't gather. Oh. Who go be this baker? Who go be the choice?
Little. You're welcome. Sure. You're welcome.
Love my bag.
And I want to looking for. No.
Merci.
Uncle, Ejalaja. Anyana Tagope.
Polika.
You know that both of you are mad. Especially, you're very, very mad. La convo, la tout compra. You people are happy now. Total madness. You think I don't know? Both of you pushed for my deportation. You made sure that we were deported. Now, are you happy? La vous la happy. La vous la happy. Hope you're happy now.
But my brother, why would you say that we are mad?
Please, Polika, calm down. It's not what you think. You've been away for too long. And we want you to come back to your root. Remember, you are the only son of your father.
À vous là-bas, aujourd'hui maintenant, très bien merci. I left 19.9 billion contracts in Panya. Yes, sea contract where we were mining. Now I'm here. Hope you people are happy.
Aujourd'hui, merci beaucoup. Merci that you bring me back to this root. Since I was born there, Lamila tell him, say he should bring me to my root. I want to see my father's land. Joshuila, my father's house, my father's land.
Sister Ruth, aujourd'hui n'être pas. Si, la vous là-bas.
La vous la même ici.
La vous là-bas.
La vous la trapte.
La vous là-bas. Très combien?
Aujourd'hui maintenant.
Très combien?
Aujourd'hui maintenant.
C'est pra compra.
Qu'est-ce que la fière?
Qu'est-ce que la fière?
Qu'est-ce que la fière?
La douceur la compra.
Tu comprends?
La douceur la compra.
No. La you no shop for me.
La vous inside.
La me no go.
La vous là-bas.
La vous là, I no go.
La vous là-bas.
My brother.
Listen, my chocolate.
La vous là-bas.
My brother, Biko, calm down.
La vous là-bas.
Calm down. Biko.
Remedy.
Settle down first. Relax. Refreshen up. Before we can, now.
I lost $1 billion of contracts here. See contract, never
Over.
no problem.
Over.
Au revoir.
Over.
Au revoir. Take my bags inside.
Okay, I'll say take it inside.
Au revoir.
Inside.
In fact, leave it for me. I'll handle it. Aujourd'hui.
Okay.
Aujourd'hui.
Merci beaucoup.
$1. If I give money, say merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Say merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci
Okay.
Merci
beaucoup.
Yeah, that's thank you very much. That's 340,000.
Organize. Uncle, what come to the
Alright.
come to the uncle. Apa capella. Chalo. Biko, you with me. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
La voix.
La carry bag.
La voix.
Oh. La carry bag. La pizza inside.
La voix. Attends.
Palika Sochi, baby two of a kind.
Polycarp, you are not getting any younger. We want you to settle down. At least, give us a son that will continue your lineage.
Is this the reason you people made sure I was deported? C'est pas panya. C'est pas panya.
My brother, is the reason not good enough?
It's not good enough reason. Compra? Tout compra? L'avoue là aujourd'hui. I left 19.9 billion naira contract. C contract. Where we were mining. To come here and you are telling me I should get married. It's life all about marriage. Huh? Please change topic. La Bedu Semere.
Polycarp, we are only looking out for you. Huh? It has not come to this papanya.
C'est pas panya.
It has not come to that.
God, why did you give me enemies disguised as my brothers? These are not my brothers. These are my enemies.
Are you tagging us enemies?
Aujourd'hui now.
Are you tagging us enemies even though we are trying to get a wife for you?
C'est pas les pas.
Aujourd'hui, monsieur, would you respect la expectation my papa high? Your expectation for my father is too much. You're expecting too much from him.
Unlike you. Aujourd'hui, this is the best thing you've said since you were born. Nice one.
What I'm trying to say is that this man you are seeing here cannot take care of only me. You are not asking to get married to another woman. How do you think you're able to cope with it?
Le vous aujourd'hui.
The papaya.
Tu comprends? Take care of you how?
Yes. How long? When did you stop paying for my child support? When? When last did you pay for child support?
Why would I be paying child support when you are with me and you eat 4 times a day? Uh-huh.
Should I call my mother's people and put on loudspeaker?
Call your mother.
La my mama? La loudspeaker.
I should take care of your entire family because your mom gave birth to you. La vous aujourd'hui.
Je suis la help.
Logis l'avait.
Je suis la help.
Logis l'avait.
But, Polycarp, you've deviated from our discussion. What we are saying is, we want you to get married. Gabriel.
That's it now.
So that you have a son that will continue from where you will stop. You and I know that all the men in this family, as soon as they get to a certain stage or a certain age in life, they will die. And Polycarp, let me tell you the truth. You are gradually getting to that age.
That rubbish cannot work on me. C'est pas les pas. It cannot work on me that the male of this family die at a certain age. Is none of my business. Yes, it won't happen with me. So nobody should rush me. Go and treat what is happening in the family. It's none of my business. I will take time and find my spec and marry my wife.
Hey, Polycarp, tell us, what is your spec?
Thank you very much. My spec is lavu, lava, lava, vava. A girl with a big bum, a big backside. Tu comprends? C'est pour affronter the milk industry. A girl that has boobs, enough milk industry, so that I will see where I will lay my head and sleep at night. Tu comprends? C'est girl, c'est figure 8. Figure 8, c'est fair. C'est Kim Kardashian nearly. That is my spec. When I see her, I will get married.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a vu?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Minko? La Minko? Lami? You are looking for your spec, a woman for yourself. You don't even think of who will take care of me. Who will not take care of me?
Take care of who? Lavu Lava.
Lami!
In the next 4 years, I'll be asking you where is your husband.
Like, yeah, that?
Yes. So don't stop looking for who will take care of you.
Ojo do that?
Ojovua.
Oh, God damn it. All right.
C'est pas les pas.
Nana.
Uncle, I'm not going to it's called La Vue Lava.
La Vue Lava, why Naba?
All the way from Gabon, Francophone, La Vue Lava, Polypolingwa, c'est papaya, Côte d'Ivoire, Confusion Day, Polika Pansochi, Jabudon enter village.
My sister, do you remember Polycarp? The one that traveled to Gabon years ago. Okay. Mazin Nana's brother. He's back, He's back to this village. Really? Yes. Wow. That means he must have made it big now.
Fishy big. He did not make anything big, I heard he was deported. They deported him, that is what happened.
Ha. Did he commit an offense over there?
Who would I ask? He went there and he came back. And when you look at it now, if you check this whole village, nobody has ever traveled to such country. So he did. It's a great opportunity, great achievement for us who did this village and for him too.
You are right. Please, let's do this thing and go home. There's no time. You are very right. It's not easy to go to Gabon. But though you go for that.
All the way from Gabon, Francophone, La Vue Lava, Polypolingwa, c'est papaya, Côte d'Ivoire.
Now your food is ready.
Right. Finally. I'll go and go malo. The food is so sweet.
Nai, what about your brother, Polika? How is he coping with the new environment?
Polycarp is not new here. Polycarp was born here. He grew up here. Polycarp just left this community about 10 years ago. So Polycarp is not new. Yes, so it's not new here.
Though he will blend with the environment now.
Definitely. Polycarp has no choice. He must blend. As a matter of fact, Polycarp will blend better than you in this community.
Nice.
Yes.
Hey, that means all your level mele. Hey, now how is the food now? Nice.
So sweet.
Thank you.
So beautiful. And when you have for them, once I finish eating, you now go inside there.
Anything for you, my husband.
The rest.
Anything for you, my husband.
Sachi. Je m'appelle.
Papa, qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Oui.
La oui?
Oui.
What's happening? I've been thinking. What's the problem? Are you okay? Hope nothing.
There are two comme say français. All the problem we've been having, I now have a solution to it. You know the problem now?
I don't know the problem. I don't know the solution.
You don't ever know anything. Why we come back here?
I don't forget now. I've forgotten.
That's why you dey forget. We are back here so that I can find a wife. La me, la marry, la settle down.
True. True.
So, but we are having problem getting a wife.
La problem, eh?
Yeah, la problem. The people I see here are below my standard. And I cannot settle for a village girl. I want to work in class. C'est pas, tu comprends?
Tu comprends.
I want to do an audition, or better still, interview, so that all the beautiful girls in this village, la fair, la thick, la dark, la chocolate, la slim, la medium, everybody will come out. I will audition them and choose my wife. Simple.
La you la do audition?
Yes, wife audition.
Oh, nice one. La nice. Au revoir.
Let's settle everything. Tu comprends?
Tu comprends?
Merci beaucoup.
Ok. Mila notice. La Mila share la notice.
C'est pas pagnon.
Ok. Vous l'avez pas.
Polycarp and Sochi, baby two of a kind. Father and daughter, them choice in no be here. All the ladies don't gather. Oh. Who go be the speaker? Who go be their choice? They know be my speaker.
Young lady. Papa. Take.
What's this? I don't go to church. What's this?
You don't go to church.
I don't go to church.
No, this is not church.
What's that?
This is not church. Let me invite you to my house. My father wants to do wedding. The one is looking for wife. I want to do audition so that people will come, so that he will select wife. So Josui, see you, call like you say, okay, you should come around. Maybe you can win.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. I'm
Okay,
single.
so you can come. Your
I'll
address is there.
Okay.
You are invited. You are highly invited.
Thank
Bien,
you.
merci.
Thank you.
Over. You, like you, okay?
Sure.
Where?
Yes.
Like you, like menopause, good.
Eh? Monopause?
Good.
Monopause.
Good.
Good.
Okay. Vous pas.
Thank you.
Hello. Me, are you married?
No, I'm not.
Oh, just feel invite you for my father's wedding audition.
Okay.
Yes. You single?
Yes, I'm
La single. Oh, oui.
Here, please.
Address is here.
Okay.
Oh, encore. All right. Find you find where? All right. Good. Hello, young lady.
Hi.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
You're single? Are you searching? Bonjour. Comment ça va?
I don't know what they talk.
Comment ça va? Oh, you're not midi. Me, I invite you to my father's wedding audition. My father is doing wedding audition. We just came back to town, okay? My father wants to do wedding auditions, so you have to come to the house so that he will select his perfect wife.
Wait, what is audition?
Audition, he wants to do marriage. He wants to pick wife for himself.
Now they ask now. Which one? They audition for marriage.
Like you, like dumb. Like you, like sick up there. Like you, like okay. Like you, like mad. Like somehow. Enthousiasme, merci. Oh well. Sonifa obligatoire. Two.
I know they insult me. I know they insult me.
Now
question I ask you, no they
Please
insult me.
Please get out. Get out.
No they insult me.
You don't have sense. Yeah, la single, F-com, Olodo. La no thinking faculty. Don't have sense and you want to marry. Is it possible? No. Not my premise.
My guy, what did happen for this village, sir? I think say normal way to follow woman do some kind thing like to say you go give am the likosi, you go in a water you rayon sponge saya. That's all. She go gree for you, go marry am. How come they go about am now? Me I no come know again. No.
That's so him be now. I don't understand the change everywhere. Things just change like that. Why?
Since when they put audition for talking stage? Like who write that rule?
Hi.
Who implement them to audition for talking stage?
Oh my brother, this way they talk now, they shock me. Because this one they surprise me. Since my mama brought me to this moment, my brother, I never see that kind of thing happen. You know they happen now. Even my papa, the way he take me to my mama, like, hey, Alpha, show. Chicken now. That's what the thing just be, just kind of like the
Simple.
That's what happening. You don't marry be that. This audition thing, and I don't understand.
What did they pay me to say? All the whole shankers on not go there for this village. Everybody don't they prepare for the audition. Like, you know what the boss my pass? My elder sister won't do even enter the audition.
Huh?
I go lie for you. My sister.
Your sister.
My elder sister, she don't join for the audition. So, I say which day talking stage enter audition. You can't they do queen number 1. You can't do cham.
See, my brother, see, make I tell you the truth. Forget that thing.
You see, you know why all of them they run like this? All of them will enter. This one will run, enter. This one will run, enter. You know why all of them they run? Because if you say, if you just come, why choose anybody, you go carry travel.
You can be soon go where? Person where them will be come back Nigeria they do film.
Huh? Where be?
Now where be they will be like corner. I will left for you. Now deport the deporter. You know, so the difference there when they deport you and when they will be you. Now where be they package and put them for boot. No say plane get boot. Now they come the most where be and come as luggage. Say he enter plane come. Now where be the and come back? He say he want to find way. Don't give all these girls belly. He want enter so mode black. He want enter. You are my friend tonight.
What did happen?
I will left for you.
I don't know this one. Wait to come. Wait. Hope say my babe no they among these girls where they do all these things.
Wait till they tell me. Wait, what are you telling me? If your babe they where they do yaha now. I go live for you.
No, maybe man no.
I got some there.
No go that.
No,
now that one me and that man go get problem.
Which problem?
Now that one will go get problem. Make no reach where my babe.
You put CCTV camera for your girl body.
Make you no reach where my babe dey. Let I know. Come on. Make you know
where.
Wait, make I go. Make I know where she dey.
Your babe they do yaha where she dey now. I go live for you. They play. Audition for Tokyo stage. Wait for me now. You just dey password the go.
It's worth more than $1 million in the bush. You're only one.
I'm coming, I'm going out.
Just like that. Where you go now? In case person ask me where you go.
I don't understand how you take concern you.
I don't thought say you be small pikin. If person come find you now, go tell them where you go now.
Come, you don't dey do too much for this house so. Small boy no know saying be small boy again. How where they go take concern you now?
Tell me where you dey go now. Make I know. In case person come find you, I go give am information. Where you dress like this they go? Be like who they go acting.
I'm going to Polycarp's compound. Today is his marriage audition.
You dey go talking stage audition. You dey tell me now you dress like this.
How I dress? What's wrong with what I'm dressing?
You dress like Akwampi now. You dress like Akwampi.
How you take me your business?
Kromoto. You dress like
That one can tell you.
You dey go talking stage audition.
I make sure you do everything when they decide before you go out.
Who you do tell that kind of thing? Ewo. You dey go talking stage audition. Yeah, they tell me say make I no go anywhere. You dey go Kromoto waka. You dey tell me say make I which kind talk be that one? Okay. Atasa. They don't talk my sister thing. Atasa.
Comment tout à fait.
Sir, I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, sorry about that. When I say comment tout à fait, that means what's your name? So you're supposed to say je m'appelle, you add your name. You understand?
Juma Oge Okole.
Je m'appelle.
Oge Okole.
Yes, that's how we talk in Veranda Pool. How old are you?
I'm 28, sir.
Your real age or football age?
My real age.
C'est pas pagna. C'est pas pagna. Do 360, let me see. C'est pas pagna. C'est pas pagna. C'est pas pagna. Write her name, and she's on a waiting prayer. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Next!
Tu l'avais de vous. Vous avez? La vamousse! Vamousse! Vamousse!
Next!
I want to be your wife. Am I not beautiful?
Jesus. Lami no call Lami like this one.
I beg your pardon.
Hey! La easy. La no key.
Confusion there. Polycarp and Sochi. Trouble don't enter village. All the way from Gabon. Francophone, lava. Sochi, my daughter. C'est papaya.
I'm very, very happy. Like, I'm so happy. He called me now. He called me, Polycarp. He called me. I'm the first person he called. He said I should come to his house now for the final test. I'm going there for the final test. Oh. I'm going there so that he can pick me. Hey.
My friend,
And,
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. He needs to pick me. I need to win it. You understand? So that I can teach that small winch a lesson.
We're already having issues with the little daughter already.
I don't understand. That girl is a devil. That girl, the mean. She need a no-nonsense lady like me to be her stepmom.
But anyway, Sha, I'm so happy for you, my friend. So very soon now, you'll be leaving us to the world.
Yes, sir. My friend. Gaga boring the pool. Boring the pool. My dear, come there, go your house. After I'll come meet you. And they go now, you don't follow me now. They go. If I go finish, if they call you, go.
My friend, I wish you well.
Bye.
Yeah.
Hey.
Gabon.
Polycarp and Sochi. Trouble don't enter village. All the way from Gabon.
Look at the time you are coming. Mademoiselle. Are you sure you can do this job?
Job. I thought I'm here for the final test.
Hey, hold it. That you were selected does not mean you've won. No. As a matter of fact, you are still standing with one leg.
Please, just don't talk to me anyhow. I'm not your mate. Don't talk to me anyhow.
Hey! La vous la hot? La classe? La compère? Why will you talk to me like that? Are you mad? Are you high or something? Are you high or something hot? Mademoiselle? Je vous la caille.
See, I'm not here for you.
Don't say that again. Do you want to beat me? Can you beat me? Try it and know if you will stab your feet inside this compound again. Shut up when I'm talking. Now, va te voir. ASAP. What can you cook?
I can cook afang soup, egusi abolo.
Hold on. Come again.
I can cook afang soup.
Hold on. Again.
I can cook afang
That's
soup.
it. That's what I want. Make it for my father.
Can I go now?
Yes. Aujourd'hui, la française. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? L'attends. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? J'ouvre like a baby. Like a baby this.
You mean my yansh?
La yash. La you get them for all?
Yes, now it's my own. I'm the one. It's my own. It's my yansh.
For you?
Yes.
Wonderful. Good slipper. Wonderful. Aujourd'hui, la française.
Polycarp, Sochi her daughter. Trouble every day. Wahala every day. Trouble not dey pay at all. Polycarp, Sochi her daughter.
Let's not the rest of the then, once you give birth now, will you stand like this? Let's know if you're ever capable of giving birth, not to talk of giving birth. That's you. That's good. Go to that. Yeah,
one number. We are ready for any kind of girl where you want.
Is it that this thing you cannot carry this and you cannot carry it?
You go marry her.
Odobila, bend this side, stand up this side and bend. Good. Good. Like that.
Make your choice. Polly one number.
Black come back. Black come back. Black start again. Black start again. Good. Good. Black come over here. Copra. Wozo here. Odo Balebu. Odo Palabaka. Odo Balebu. Odo Palaka. Good.
One man food is another man
I hope you did well this time around.
Yes, it's very delicious.
It's what's more than a million in the bush.
Is this afang soup or salt water?
I didn't add much salt. I just added much pepper so that it will be easy for you to swallow it.
So at your stage and age, you can't cook. Yet you want husband. What's the meaning of this nonsense now? Test it. Test it. I don't want it to look as if I'm just being troublesome. Sepanepa. Sepanepa. Did anyone assisted you while cooking?
No.
You prepared it yourself? This marriage is over. Get out of my compound. I will pour water on you. I said this marriage is over. Leave my house. They will bring back your bag later.
Please just give me a second chance.
Now my life, you want you to do second chance?
I will make it better.
No time for second chance. You can't cook. I want me to marry you. Leave this place. They'll bring back your bag later. Idiot. As big as you are, I can't even cook. In fact, I'll get married to a robot. Enough of this nonsense. You all have disappointed me. I'm marrying robots. Going on as wicked. Elon Musk, the real guy. Going on as wicked. Nonsense. But I'll marry robots. I will marry robots. I think that's the best option now. I will get married to robots. Let me browse online. I must see a good robot. You must go on there. You cannot cook yet. You want to
So baby, you know me. You know me. Imalala me sincha. Tubem, you know that I know how to cook very well. And that fan soup is my special, you know. Only for me to prepare this food. I even tested it before dishing it out. I tested it, Tubem.
It's okay now.
Only for him to eat the food and there is so much salt on it.
Added salt.
Is it not that wicked girl? Oh, Bragi, that girl is very wicked. Is that witch?
Hello.
Hey.
Oh my God. It's okay, my friend. I don't want you to fall sick.
No veranda pool for me. Oh.
It's okay.
So like this, they lose go polycap. They lose go poly. Amangasi veranda pool. Hey.
Hello? Please, who is this? Yes, I'm free. Okay. I'll be there. I'll be there right away, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who called you?
It's Polycarp.
Hi.
I said I should come for my finance.
Hey! This girl don't make me lose this Polly. You don't make me lose her. Oh. Never, just be going. I wish you success. Oh.
It's okay now. Please stop crying.
Let me cry.
Okay? Please now. It's okay.
Be going before you lose by your own. Oh.
When I come back, I'll come and see you, okay? It's okay, my friend. It's okay, sorry.
Hey, Polly, oh! Hey! Success, oh, success! Hey! No veranda pool, oh! No veranda pool!
Sachi? Sachi? Sachi?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
What are all those clothes for?
I want you to wash them. Wash them very well. If I see any stain, that is it for you.
How many people wore those clothes?
How is it your business? Are you not supposed to be my business too? La question, la me to answer. I don't understand. Are you going to wash it or should I call another candidate? Are you still interested?
No problem, I'll wash it.
You wash them. Fine. I'll give you 30 minutes.
Why am I being time?
Because time is precious. Time is money. Time is everything. Are you interested?
No problem.
You can go. Oh! Laton! Laton! A sap. La occupation, la before la apply.
I don't understand.
What were you doing before you applied for this job? Never mind. Aujourd'hui, la hook up. Aujourd'hui, la au chaufferie. Nothing else. Nothing else. Va faire voir. Va faire voir. La mami what?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Like, you say what happened? Your head happened. So you cannot wash clothes and wash them clean. Is that how to wash?
It's not my fault. Besides, those things are really strong. Besides, your daughter gave me a little time to finish.
C'est pas les pas. C'est pas les pas. You messed up. You can't even wash clothes yet. You have the guts to be defending nonsense. Where is the wife material in you? Oh, you need 1 year before you can wash these clothes clean.
Don't insult me.
I should not insult you. I'm talking, you are talking. Oh, you are not the husband. Come and pay my bride price. It is over between us. Get out of my house. You are very stupid.
So you are trying to tell me that I wash this clothes for nothing?
Get out of this place. Get out! Thunder fire you. They will bring back your bag later. Get out of this place. 0 wash material. You can't even wash. Oh, you did check the tab body there.
Confusion there. Polika Pansochi. Trouble don't enter village, all the way from Gabon. Francophone, lava.
So you clear your face there, you catch the infusion of God.
You know that Polycarp and his stupid daughter, after making me to wash all their dirty clothes, they then rejected me.
Hey, whoa. So you go do the cleaner job for that side? For that man where they will be come back this country, you go do dry cleaner job. I tell you, you will say you won't go do audition for talking stage. Now they don't talk you stage. What you happen be say you go endure. Now you find yourself, go meet them. Hope they call you.
I swear to God, I must teach them a lesson.
You won't go teach person lesson. You won't go, no go there. Oh. They don't force you go do audition. Nobody force you go do audition for talking stage and use your hand, apply. They don't serve you work now, your body they jiggy. What you happen be say you go use this anger, so this anger will do your body. You go use an enter kitchen. You know say you go arrange one buy jollof rice. You know so rice where they use anger cook. Rice where they use anger cook, now they sweet pass. So use this anger, no allow am quench. Use an enter kitchen. May I see no so they come. May I go put something for man.
Won't you help me and sit them honestly?
Help you care. Now me bring idea, make you go do audition for talking stage. I said no, just use this anger as it dey easy for your body. So use this anger, enter kitchen, better rice. I'm coming.
You will not help me.
I go help you. Just use the anger. No allow the anger quench. Use the anger.
Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, oh, polio. Make your choice. Poly one nemo.
This is bullshit. Arrant nonsense. Zero wife material. C'est pas panya. C'est pas panya aujourd'hui mentovoa.
Only what happened to the other woman that you brought in?
You all don't get it right. I abandoned 18.9 billion project. Sea contract where we are mining in Panya just to honor your invitation. Now, what do I get in return? Nonsense. The girl you all brought can cook. Lavojodi sepa lamande. She can't cook. Talk more of doing dishes or washing my clothes. I asked her to wash my clothes and that of my daughter. What did we get? She messed up everything. Ghana Zuno. Just go to that backyard. Say Palamande. She messed up. She can't even wash.
Wait. Polycarp. You mean you made her to wash your clothes and that of your daughter? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. How am I supposed to test and see if she's fit for marriage? Do you expect me to just marry her just like that? No, c'est pas comprendre now. I said, wash my clothes. Let me see if you are fit. Let me be sure you are a neat person. Ah! She can't. Cardi B can tell. They are listening to rubbish. She can't cook, she can't clean, she can't... Now they cannot cook and they cannot clean. C'est pas aujourd'hui. La voix que ton verre.
Polycarp, I don't even know what you exactly want.
Thank you very much, sir. What I want is simple. I want a good wife, a wife material. Is that too much to ask for? So we can't find a decent girl that can get married to me in this part of the world. Am I that difficult? Aujourd'hui s'appelle la mende. Bonjour comprends tout, savoir. I'm angry with you all. Zero wife material. She can't cook, she can't clean after listening to Cardi B.
Polycarp, one name, we are ready for you. Any kind of girl where you want to, we go provide them. As far as you say you go marry them, we no get wahala. Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, so polio. Make your choice. Poly one name, Polycarp, Poly one name. Sochi her daughter, put a biggie. Trouble every day. Wahala every day. Trouble no dey pay at all. One day you go jam, Poly one name. Your match, put a biggie. Trouble no dey pay at all. Trouble no dey pay at all. Polycarp, one name, we are ready for you. Any kind of girl where you want you, we go provide them. As far as you say you go marry them, we no get wahala. Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, so polio. Make your choice. Poly one name, Polycarp, Sochi her daughter.
So you're happy. You're happy like you. Happy. I've never seen you this excited
La
before.
papa, la very happy.
Why?
C'est papa nya. I found the woman of my dreams.
Oh, Ojo, doing la good news.
La franquesse mauvaise.
La good news. confused.
I'm telling you, my spec has been found.
So this your spec. Are you sure your spec can cook? Also, are you sure she can wash?
Sepanepa,
Hmm?
my spec can cook, clean, wash, burn, do everything you want from a woman.
Coup d'oeuvre.
Panya.
Tout encore.
C'est pas panya. Obiageli, c'est bon.
Nice one.
Yes, sir.
Nice one. La nice good news. Aujourd'hui, la
Are you
good
going
news.
out?
Yes.
Okay.
La mise out. La mise la come later.
Okay, la vie. Listen, my people, I'm so excited. I have found the woman of my dream. Aujourd'hui, la pas peigné comprisé.
Inokwan.
Yes.
Polika, finally, you've gotten a wife.
I'm telling you.
If you see her backside, like this, she's so fantabulous. She's so fantabulous. She's so fulfullious. That girl is dang. I wish you all see the girl I'm talking about.
What is this girl's name? Because for the fact she's from this community, I must know her.
Of course, we will know her.
That's where I messed up. I was carried away by her backside and I forgot to ask her name.
But Polly, you know it will be very difficult for us to start going house to house and knocking. For their daughters to come out for you to check their backside. If you had at least asked for her name, we will know where we are going to.
Go there straight.
Oh yes.
No, this village is not that big. We'll go house to house and knock. Once I see her, I will recognize her. Especially when I see her backside.
Okay.
The backside, dear bro. I can't.
It's some
La vous la ve lankutambi.
Enogiano.
Backside is something else.
Hey, Chinekinna.
I think we can now rest.
Yes, now.
Yeah?
The research is over. That's my wife.
That's
That's
all.
my wife.
That's all. Chikina.
So please, we need to start going to houses.
Start going.
Or better still, invite all the fat people around. Marrying her immediately.
Of course.
Obi.
That's the one I'm talking about. That's my wife. That's my wife. La cuckoo, la kuba. That's the girl I'm talking about. Hey.
Polly. Polly, this girl right here is our brother's wife.
Kowalia.
You cannot be looking at her backside. No, now it's not done.
Where I come from in Panya, no one owns wife. Yes, as a woman in Panya, you give this man, you give the other man. You give this man, you give the brother.
Polika.
You can't finish it.
This is not Panya. Polly, this is not Panya.
Alabotu, man.
No. My brother, Allah no be O2 in this one. This is your brother's. What are you talking about? Talk now. It's your wife that he's talking about.
You have been disturbing me to get married. Now I've found my wife. Why are you antagonizing me? No, this is my wife. No, this is my wife. This is my wife, for real. Come on, baby. This is my wife. Come on, baby. This is my wife. Let's go. Come on, baby.
Any kind of girl where you want to, we go provide her. As far as you say you go marry, we don't get wahala. Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, so Polio. Make your choice. Polly one nemo, Polly capo, Polly one nemo. Sochi her daughter, put a biggie. Trouble every day.
Now, Polika.
Wahala every day. Trouble no dey pay at all. One day you go jam.
See that?
Your match,
You did not find a wife befitting of yourself from all these girls that you gathered. What is happening?
Sepa Panya. I did not find any girl worth marrying me from that audition. Yes. But I found a girl of my dream.
And who is this girl of your dream?
Obiageri Sebo.
Tofiakwa! Alu! Polycarp, that you have been in Panya for God knows how long. Doesn't mean that you should forget the tradition and the custom of this land.
No tradition in Panya. No tradition there.
You are not in Panya. You are home. You are in your fatherland. You cannot tell me that you do not know that looking at your brother's wife lustfully is already an abomination.
No, in Panya, it's not an abomination. In Panya, tu compra. If you see a girl in Panya, your brother's girl, you like her. The girl give you, the girl give your brother. You cannot finish it. Your brother cannot finish it. A girl in Panya, look at what they do. I give you, I give your brother. Your brother cannot finish it. So forget all this tradition. You people were forcing me to get married. Compra? Now I found the one of my dream, Obiageli. Nothing will stop me from marrying her. Sebo?
Alo, Polycarpo.
Papanya. Sepapanya.
Obuli has the papanya. Ihile kubalo. Obuli has the papanya. Remove your eye from your brother's wife. What is all this now? Osim sepapanya. Sepapanya beginning. Please. We have to find a way around this thing. Since Polycarp is hell-bent on not getting any other woman but your wife, Obiageli, we have to find a way around this.
Nanya, let me tell you. Let me tell you. If Polycarp cannot get any other wife or any other woman out there except my wife, let Polycarp remain like that. I am tired of condoning his foolishness.
You too. I am well respect. Now I'm a lot tradition. You mean Polycarp to utter such nonsense. You kubalo. Mana uncle, you have to understand that he's still our brother. Eh? And he's still your son. Biko, let us calm down. Sit back and think of how to solve this matter. It's becoming a problem already. But see, uncle, there is something I'm thinking. Since Polycarp said that he wants your wife, why not we look for somebody that look like your wife, Obiageli, for him? Maybe that will solve the problem.
Are you talking about Adako, Obiageli's sister?
Bam, uncle. Adako is the person that I'm talking about. She's going to be the right person for Polycarp. Because the next thing now, he will hijack your wife from you.
Mbeyonu.
Why?
Mbeyonu. And I want tell him.
Uncle, why Biko? Why, oh? He's still our brother, oh. Still our brother. We'll just find a way to help him, you know? Uncle, why?
Hello, in-law. In-law, there is a serious issue in my family. We are looking for a way to get a wife for Polycarp. Let me tell you, Polycarp has eyes on my wife, Obiageli. No more. So, because of that, he says he needs somebody like Obiageli. That's why I'm calling you. If we can introduce Adak to him. Of course, Adak looks so much like Obiageli. Yes.
Yes, Papa. Polycarp is a nice man. Adak will make
I'm a boy. How do you hear that?
Adak will make a good wife for Polycarp.
Yes. Yes, my in-law. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving the approval. Yes. As a matter of fact, your approval has already created an atmosphere of peace in my heart and also in my family.
Yes, sir.
This is not a fun thing. Yes, they get to know each other. In-law. No, by piano. I be otuesi abiano. Adako abiamarana. Otuesi men. She will stay some time according to Igbo tradition. Yes, Igbo. Thank you. My regards to all my in-laws.
Okay, Papa, bye-bye, yo.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Amibo. Is it because I'm speaking with your father? You bring your ears. Is that why you are relaxing on my body as if you love me?
So, Uncle Nooks, what are you trying to say?
If you see this woman, which I found for you, she's 2 times your bigger. Exactly what you needed.
Are you sure? I'm not a fool. You can't confuse me. Are you sure?
Polycarp, this is all about personal speculation. Your spec, just like you said, this is your spec. Even in Ezurez.
Let me set my eyes on her first. Let me be the one to judge. If she's what I want, I will concur. Bring her first.
I'm bringing her tomorrow morning.
Polycarp.
My people.
Now this one fit into this house.
Shh. This is exactly what I've been looking for. This is my spec.
Polycarp, our brother. This is the lady we were telling you about. Huh? Adak. Meet Polycarp. Polycarp, Adak.
Hi.
My pleasure.
You're welcome. Come on to the bed.
La, this one enter bed, I will choke, I will die. Space will not even be there.
There will be space. She will lie down on top of the bed. You, if you don't see space, lie down under the bed.
No. Ododila enter bed, Ododila collapse bed. Me when go under the bed, I will die.
You will not die. Calm down. Huh?
Oh my God. I feel so hot right now. She just hurt my feelings. I have to go.
No. Hey! Now stop. Now who's the V? Don't worry. You're not going anywhere. You must speak here.
Moi, Chilenko, say, you, this thing that you are carrying, you cannot enter this house.
What is she carrying? If she leaves this place, I'll have a problem with you. She's my spec. Calm down now.
I know what I'm saying. Buslepa. See, let's see what you want carry. Let's see. Now you go die.
Die, shut up.
Let me know what.
It's okay. What's your problem?
If
she leaves, I'll have a problem with you. It's okay. Lavu.
She's so rude.
Lavu.
Buslepa.
Attends. Merci beaucoup.
I know what I'm saying.
Pardon. Let's go inside. Be careful. Don't talk here again. Go inside. Hey! Oh. This is the best thing you people have done this year. This one.
La, uncle, a minute.
Uncle,
a minute. What's the essence of this whole package? Why do you want to kill my father? Like my father lie on bed with that one, bed will scatter, my father will die. Me, I'll be orphan. Let me know one time.
Soshi? So you don't want your daddy to leave my wife alone?
Okay, that's the reason. Oh, wow.
Don't worry. He will be fine. Don't worry.
She will take care of you.
Yes. All of you will be fine. I am sure, Uncle Kainaba. I am sure you guys will be fine. Huh?
Nah, I'm finished. Wow. Light has beat for me. I am finished.
One day you go jam, your match, trouble not they pay.
What's the meaning of that? It's a confront man. What's the meaning of that? What's that uncultured attitude? What's that uncultured manner of yours? What's the meaning of that?
So I can't play with you, is that it?
Play with me? You are playing with my meat without my permission.
Permission, quoi? I was only trying to build a bond with you, that's all.
You are building a bond with my meat. Did I ask for a bond? Did I ask for your relationship? You don't have respect? What gave you the audacity to even think of building bond with me? Because they brought you to this house? Because you have this abracadabra. Is that why you think you have the audacity to take my meat? Please return that meat. So I'll get angry.
I should return what I've eaten.
Return. I don't know how you're going to do the magic.
It's like there's something wrong with you. What is your problem?
I'm going to disgrace you.
You want to disgrace me?
No, you're not wearing tight clothes.
Listen, let me tell you. It is not all about this your laske you're speaking here. If you touch me, I will beat you out of...
I'm going to beat you.
Hey.
I'm going to disgrace you. I'm going to disgrace you.
So you respect yourself. Look at this girl, respect yourself. Oh.
I'm going to disgrace you.
I will beat you.
You're not wearing clothes.
I will beat you.
Disgrace you.
I will beat you. I will beat you black and blue.
Nari, I go.
I can see you don't have home training.
Give me that meat.
I should give you which meat?
Give me.
Come and take it now.
Give that meat.
Come on, get out.
I
will beat you. I will beat you, this girl. I can see you don't have home training. I will beat you. I will beat you.
Give me my meat.
Hey!
Give me my meat.
You push your come.
Give me my meat.
You're tighting my neck. You're tighting my neck because of meat. Because of meat.
Hello, Papaya. So you finally brought that elephant to this house to intimidate me. La why? Oh, Jodila, elephant. Is she not elephant? Is she not an elephant? Please tell her to stay away from me. Else, me, I'm not going to take this rubbish, okay?
Polycarp and Sochi, they be two of a kind. Father and daughter, them choice will be here. All the ladies don't go down.
Tu comprends, Midi? Excusez-moi, répétez. You have to arrest me. Ha! Alright, you arrest your own daughter. No problem. La war begins. Aujourd'hui, la compré, la war begins. Thank you. Au revoir. Young woman.
Thank God you came. Please, I need you to help me massage my foot. It hurts so bad.
Repeat.
Normally, I would have asked your father to help me do it, but as you can see, he's not around. So please, kindly help me massage it. The pain is killing me. Honestly, please.
Le François, it's doing me like I slapped the dirty slap on your mouth. Do you know why? Me, I should touch these dinosaur feet. Me. Over my dead body will like that. In fact, let the earth divide and swallow me. Let affliction rise the second time if I should do that. Your mama, your papa, everybody in your family. Don't let me lay curse on you and your family.
Wait, I don't understand.
Avoid me.
Is it because I asked you to help me massage my foot? Is that why you're insulting me? All this insult just because I asked you to help me massage my foot.
Only the hot door alone. Only the hot door is choking. And you want me to touch, to touch. Avoid me.
Hey. Are you sure this girl is alright? I don't understand. My leg, order. How? Hi. What kind of nonsense is this?
Baby. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Oh. Babe, stop now. Let's make love. Baby.
All the way from Gabon.
Since you don't marry, I'm not going to enter the promised land. Sorry. I'll get an answer.
All the way from Gabon. Sachi my daughter, c'est papaya. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a? Confusion there.
Sochi, where are you coming back from this early morning?
Question should be, where is your husband? Where has he been since morning, since yesterday night? Where? Do you know? Don't be asking me that question. Or don't you that question they vex me? Don't ask me that stupid question, alright? Asking me where am I coming? Where else should I come from? Where else should I sleep? To Copra. In fact, let me break the news. Your husband did not sleep in the room because he saw some red flags. He had to leave. Oh, Jodwina leave. Joswina said he will not do again.
But maybe he just felt like not sleeping in the room.
No, he did not just feel like not sleeping in the room. He saw red flags and he left because he could not bear it.
And how is that supposed to be your business? How?
It's supposed to be my business because Ojodwila dinosaur. Ojodwila can't still get I pass your generator sound inside you. Ojodwila can't still get big eyes. Ojodwila can't still get big mouth. Ojodwila can't still carry plenty things. Ojodwila can't still get bad character.
It's like you're very stupid. I can see you're very stupid. Sochi, come back here. Come back here, Sochi. What kind of human being is this?
The fact that your brother has not complained, that means my sister is taking very good care of him.
Oh, yes. I never knew Adaku would be all that nice. You know Adaku is your sister.
Yes,
I never knew she would be all that nice. Since my brother has not complained. All the same. I'm happy for both of them.
So I'm happy for them.
Bonjour monsieur. Bonjour mademoiselle. Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Okay. So, oui. Bon, la vex, la mi. Je suis là happy. Je suis là unhappy. I'm not happy, I'm vexing. Aujourd'hui, la vexation is too high. Yes, you are happy, I'm not happy.
Sochi, wait.
I'm waiting.
You are not happy.
I'm not happy.
Is everything all right?
Everything is not all right. You are having a happy moment with your wife, a beautiful moment with your wife, right? But you brought chaos to our own house. La bring chaos to our house, to our mosses, our mansionates, our mansions. You brought chaos to our house, and you are enjoying your beautiful moment with your wife. Why did you do that? Why are you evil? Vous n'êtes pas le chakuli. Aujourd'hui, les maintenant. Je vole vous, n'est pas la part. I don't get it. Moi.
Wait. This thing you are saying, is your father aware of it?
He should not be aware. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as a daughter. He's so blind that he can't see it. Ojodwina blind. I'm doing it myself. Please, come to the house, pick that trash, bring it back here, and enjoy your house. Thank you. Au revoir. Bonsoir. Bon après-midi à Bobo. Vous ne l'êtes pas.
How can a small girl take such decision without the father? How?
I don't know.
Can it work?
I don't know, nine.
Wally, your daughter Sochi came to my house. He said we should come and carry Adak out of this place. Huh? I asked her what happened. She didn't say anything. That's why I'm here to know what really happened.
Nai, Taking my daughter Sochi serious is like the blind leading the blind. My daughter is mad. Take her serious at your own risk. Don't you get it? Moreover, all is well. If we have problem around here, I will be the person to directly tell you, not my daughter.
Thank God. I was already getting furious over what has gone wrong.
Sochi is a nuisance. Forget about her. All is well, okay? Good.
Sure. Polly, now that you have said this, when are we going to see their people officially? You know, marriage is all about
Okay. Let me think about that and get back to you. Let me think about it.
Okay, if you say so. Let me be on my way. My greetings to Soshi and Dada.
Okay. Merci beaucoup. C'est bon. Merci
Any
beaucoup.
kind of girl where you want you, we go provide her. As far as you say you go marry her.
Don't be putting on that before. Why the other one?
Make your choice.
Somebody will be in this house.
What is it?
Me, I'm tired of staying in this house. I want to go back to my father's house. Now. I thought coming to your house would be more better. I didn't even know it's going to be worse.
Are they sharing money in your father's house? What's happening there? C'est bon.
You're asking me like you don't know. Polycarp, let me ask you. Did you prepare any food for me in this house before leaving this morning? You left this house since morning without keeping nothing for me. No food, no water, not even water for me to bathe. What kind of wickedness is this?
People will hear you now and think we don't have food in the kitchen. We have food in this house, but you are just lazy. You cannot prepare what to eat.
Polycarp.
Poly.
Are you asking me to go to the kitchen and prepare food for myself?
No, I'm asking you to go to the ground and dig up your father's grave.
Polycarp, I told you I don't like stress. I told you my body does not accept anything stress. So you want to stress me, Ekwa? You want to stress me?
So going into the kitchen to prepare what you will eat as a woman is what you call stress. Be ready to fast. Be ready to fast because Ojodi la pay le slim tea. You will slim down if you cannot prepare food for yourself.
If I slim down, you will no longer love me because of my bonbon. You said you love me. You love me because of this bonbon. So why are you not treating me like this, Polycarp?
Cooking for you is your own definition of love. That's a wrong definition, idiot.
Polycarp, better go and prepare something for me to eat, oh. Polycarp, prepare something for me to eat.
Instead of me to cook for you, let me bend. Why will I cook for you? If you cannot prepare what you will eat, you will slim down. But get used to fasting.
Polycarp, is this what you're telling me? Polycarp! Polycarp, come back here. Go and prepare something for me to eat, Polycarp. I will not take this nonsense from you, Polycarp.
Polycarp, Sochi her daughter.
Mademoiselle! Oui.
What is it? Why are you waking me up from sleep?
What's that thing?
What's what?
What's that sound I was hearing that was disturbing me? That sound that disturbed me, like sleep.
Sochi, what's your problem? What's your problem? Why can't I have a minute's peace in this house?
Why are you sleeping in this place? Are you not supposed to sleep in your room? Are you not married?
I don't understand.
I want you to go inside your room. I want to sleep here.
Wait, you mean because you want to sleep here? That's why you had to wake me up from sleep?
Yes.
You mean this place is not big enough for you to sleep? And then you had to wake me up from sleep?
Let me remind you again in case I forgot. Dinosaur like you. Elephant like you. Same you, generator apart your neighbor inside you. So why do you want me to sleep in the same place with you? Even your husband could not stay in the same room with you because you are not compatible.
You must be mad.
You must be mad. Ojo doing a madness worry you.
I would listen. I will not even take permission from your father and I will deal with you mercilessly.
Stand up.
Come on, will you leave me alone?
Stand stand, mademoiselle. Last stand.
You don't have respect. You don't have single respect.
Last stand. Last stand up.
I will deal with you. I will beat you without even minding that your father is not around.
You beat me. Can you even stand up from there without somebody assisting you?
What do you mean?
You're carrying overload. You think you can just carry it like that and stand? You don't know that what you're carrying is bigger, is heavy duty. You think you can just lift it up like that without permission? You can just boom, you stand. Try it. Try it, let's see. You have to stand. Let me help you.
I don't even have your time.
This
I don't blame you.
Oh, no, this is talking about. Hey!
I don't see her. Polly and her daughter, a bed at hand. It's worth more than a million. Polly one
Ça va? Tu comprends? What is it? Tu comprends? What's going on?
You don't care about me. You don't care about me. Ever since I came to your house, you've not been taking good care of me. I don't even have good clothes for outing. Not even cream or soap. What is all this? How can you be this careless, Polycarp?
Can't you pass your message without drama? Have you said these things before? You are just saying it for the first time. I've heard you. I will take you out for shopping. Simple.
So now that you're going to take me out for shopping?
You heard me loud and clear. I will take you out for shopping.
Really?
Yes, now.
That's my baby!
Come on.
That's why I love you.
This is not supposed to be a problem. But meanwhile, I want to swim here now. I have not tested this since. Let me swim here. After swimming, once we get to that shopping mall, I will buy whatever you want. Well, let me go and test this.
Take me out for shopping first. Then when we come back, I can give it to you anyhow you want it.
I am a man. I can tell you how these things work. Give it to me. With that joy, once we get there, I will buy the whole mall for you. In fact, let me show you. Seeing is very good. Take $1. This is 6 million naira.
Wow!
$1. This is 6 million.
I'm so happy. Thank you. This is my first time actually touching dollars.
Okay now. More will come.
Let's go, baby.
Hey!
Polycarp, Sochi her daughter. Trouble every day.
I can't wait to swim in this.
Wahala every day.
Stop this now. I don't want. I'm no longer in the mood.
What happened?
I'm not in the mood. I can't do this.
But we agreed to come and make love before going for shopping.
We are ready.
I know.
Why the sudden change?
Are you supposed to marry me before all this?
Am I not supposed to test what I want to marry?
No. Not done that way.
Stop, John. Every time you give me one excuse or the other. Let me swim now.
I don't want. Stop this. I don't want it.
But we had an agreement now. Why the sudden change?
I have changed my mind. I can't do this anymore. Please.
So you change your mind anytime you want because I'm a dummy. Stop now. I mean, want me to relax now.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not in the mood. I'm no longer in the mood. Leave me alone. What is all this?
Come. Are you suffering from Obanje? Obanje is stopping you.
Suffering from which Obanje?
We are laughing here and we are happy. I said let's go inside and enjoy before the shopping. You got inside and said you are no longer in the mood.
Please, I'm no longer in the mood. I am not in the mood. This is not what I'm here for now.
You are not in the mood. Try your father's house. This marriage is over.
I don't understand.
I cannot be marrying you and be stressing myself. Try your father's house. It's over.
Polycarp, you lied. You lied! I am not going anywhere.
You won't give me what I paid for and you're not going anywhere.
Polycarp!
Are you mad?
Beautiful, fine girls. Man care when I figure 80. Man care when I better shape.
You should leave me alone. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Leave!
What?
Leave! Get out! Get the hell out of here!
I am not going anywhere. Come on, will you leave me alone? Leave me alone.
Leave this house.
Come on, will you leave me alone?
Are you living peacefully or I throw you out?
Who are you people? What right do you have to throw me out?
Oh, madam, mademoiselle, listen to me. Okay? Listen. My father and I gave them them the right to throw you out of this house. Alright? So, Buslepa, peacefully.
I am not going anywhere. In fact, as a matter of fact, you see this house, over my dead body will I leave this place. I will not.
Alright. Ojo Gwambesi. Berisa. Paka out.
Woman!
Come, will you leave me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. You should leave me. I am not going anywhere. Leave me alone.
Let me help.
I am not going anywhere. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Move it!
I said leave me alone. Leave me
out.
Leave me.
Ada.
Leave me alone.
Ada.
Leave me alone. My in-law, what are you doing here?
Ada, I warned you. I warned you over your character onto this family. And you didn't hear. Ada.
Go!
Why did you have to say go? Why do you allow these people to brainwash you like this? You see this marriage must work. I am not going anywhere.
Adak, as far as I'm concerned, no marriage. The man in question is no longer interested. And I warned you before now, didn't I? Adak, Ona?
Go with your in-law. Go with him.
If I slap you, look at this one. If I slap you.
Ojo Duila. Metana. Ojo Dila attack.
Don't come on.
Attack.
Ojo Dila attack me. Ojo Dila attack me.
Don't allow them to win.
Use that cutlass and cut off my eye. Rubbish. Ojo Dila, get out of my compound.
Polycapo, Sochi her daughter. Trouble every day.
Uncle, what's going on? Sebon, since I came back, all you keep telling me is get a wife, get married, get a wife, get married. Listen, it's not a cook that I can just go and pick or buy. Calm down. When I see my spec, I'll get married, okay?
Polika, you and I know that every man has an obligation to get entangled with a woman. It's not our doing. It's the Lord's doing. The doing of our Creator.
I know the Bible says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing. And Nigeria said Bokulog, man, shit. Calm down, uncle. When I find my spec, I will get married.
Obiakwa. This your spec. Polika, what kind of woman are you looking for? That's my question.
I want a working class woman with a big bum bum. A working class woman with a big bum bum. A working class woman with a big bum bum. I don't want liability. I want someone that makes money so that she will have sense of responsibility, not sense of entitlement. Please.
We are ready for you. Any kind of girl where you want you, we go provide them. As far as you say you go marry him, we no get wahala. Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, so Polio. Make your choice. Poly one name. Polycapo, Sochi her daughter.
Hey, you go. Is that how you're walking?
My friend, will you walk fast? One day you go jam.
If I get one of you both, you will regret yourself. Walk fast! Nonsense. Look at you walking to school.
Trouble no they pay at all. Trouble no they pay at all. Child, one man food is another man poison. I don't see a move. Polly and her daughter, a bed at hand. Is what
Mama! You didn't tell me you're coming.
Do I need permission before coming to see you?
Not that, Mama. You should have told me now so that I would prepare something for you.
Felicia, I don't need your preparation, please. Just keep it aside. Tell me what I want to hear. Do you now have a man that is willing to marry you?
Ha! Not again. Mama, can you just stop?
I just got back. I had a hectic day.
Please.
I will start too. I will start because I have your time fully now. You must tell me what I want to hear. You must tell me if there is a man in your life now that is willing to marry you. Rico, Mama, how was your trip?
Sachi!
Sachi, qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
I'm Adama. And I want to be your friend. I heard that you and your father just came back to this community, and I would love to be your friend.
Who is your father? La papa la vous?
His name is Mazi Ibe.
Mazi Ibe?
Yes.
Is he the king of this village?
No, he's not.
Is he related to the governor?
Not at all. He's not.
Don't say that. Mass for that. Oh, is he a philanthropist?
No, he's not.
So who is he?
He's just a palm tapper.
A palm wine tapper?
Yes.
What is palm wine? What's palm wine? What is it tapping? You want to be my friend?
Yes, I want
come,
to.
Come. La age la compare? Asabi, la age la compare?
I don't understand.
Are we mates?
No, we are not.
Are we the same level?
No, we are not.
La level la compare?
No.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? In fact, dégage.
Please, I just...
Dégage! Va faveur! Fast!
Okay.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
La
compo.
I just want to be your friend.
All the way from Gabon, Francafo, Lavu Lava, Poli Polimwa, Sefa Paya,
Nana.
Uncle.
Nana, I have some good news.
Eziwoku. What is the good news? Because the way I see your face, you are very happy. What is happening?
Nana, I found a perfect wife for Polycarp. Nice wife. He cannot reject this.
Uncle, you found a wife for Polycarp?
Bob.
Because who is she? Because
she's a teacher. That makes her a working class.
A working class?
Remember he said he need a...
working class woman.
Another thing. She has it.
Chineke.
Obuya.
Obunkazu, Budonkiri. Chineke.
Everything.
I think you want you like this, uncle.
To crown with her. She's still single.
Chineke. That solves everything, no? That solves everything. Uncle, let's start going now. Let's go. Let's
go. Chicken like just at the junction there waiting for us.
Let's go. From Gabon, Francafo, Lavu Lava, Poli Polimwa, Sefa Paya, Côte d'Ivoire, Confusion Day. Polycarp and Sochi, trouble don't enter village, all the way from Gabon, Francafo, Lavu Lava, Sochi my daughter, Sefa Paya.
Who is at home?
Is someone here?
Confusion Day.
Bye. Someone home?
Greetings, madam.
Greetings to you too.
Madam, we are looking for one teacher.
Felicia.
Teacher Felicia.
Felicia is my daughter. Any problem?
There's no problem.
Please, anything other than marriage, my daughter is not available.
That is exactly why we are here. As the matter of fact, Mama, we want your daughter Felicia to marry our blood.
Wow.
Huh?
Yes.
She just stepped out and she will be back very soon. But nevertheless, I am free. You can talk to me. Hey! Come and have a seat.
Thank you very much, Ma.
Felicia, finally God has answered my prayers. This God I'm serving is indeed a wonderful God. He has finally answered my prayers. What happened? Few minutes that you left, oh, 2 men came here asking for your hand in marriage.
2 men? Yes. 2 men from where? I don't understand.
From above, asking stupid questions instead of rejoicing.
Rejoicing for what exactly, Mama? I should be enlightened for what? There are 2 men I don't even know. I have not even met yet. Asking for my hand in marriage. Come on, Mama.
Ah! Chelukwa, am I the only person praying for your marriage breakthrough, Felicia? Why are you not happy? You even want to ask God question. Hey! Felicia, Achokwamema, you must marry this man. Hey, Chiku, okay.
Polycarp, searching her daughter.
Felicia, Mama, what is it? You still haven't given me the answer that I need. Those men that visited here, they were so serious for you to get married to their younger brother. Someone all the way from Veranda Pool. No, Felicia. Inuchakwa. Felicia, you must accept him with immediate effect. In Andrea.
Mama, so I should accept him. Someone that came back from where?
From Veranda Pool, if you must know. You can't miss him.
I should start planning marriage with someone I barely know.
You will know him once you see him now. Agree to meet with him.
Mama, what is it? Why are you forcing me into marriage?
Forcing you?
I'm in my father's house. Why are you forcing me into marriage?
Do you want to take over the house from me? Your father's house. My husband's house. You need to be in your own husband's house.
I've heard you.
Yes.
I will think about it. I'm off to work.
Thinking about it? Think about it now. I don't want any delay. Think about it now.
I will think about it. I'm off to work.
Think about it. Inuchakwa tiejara.
Leper, old cargo that goes around damaging people's children. Because they don't have their own. Wait, let me ask you. You don't know that in this planet Earth, this life that you are in, that every woman born by a woman, impregnated by a man, has expiring dates. Onimaro, I'm asking you, don't you know? No, you will not know. You will not know. Beto you may vananya. Your eyes will clear. By the time you start going from one prayer house to another prayer house looking for husband, now interested. Nenu called. But let me remind you of one thing. It is a bad thing, a bad omen that Udara one that is supposed to be the sweetest Udara so far turns to be bitter. Hey, stand there. Come on, stand there. So as you are, you're not thinking of how to give birth so that you can feel the pains of childbearing. For you to have sympathy on children and not to be flogging them anyhow. You don't want to give birth, okay? As fine as you are. It's only Boboko. It's only one ben nage. How? Then called. Hey! You are lucky. Next time, I'll check and get, but I'll pack sand and pour on you. It's just a small tip that I've given you now. What the key here? Oh, bish. Nonsense.
Unabasago.
Yes, ma'am.
But your face is not looking nice. What happened? You're not bright at all.
Mama, I have decided to meet a man that is interested in marrying me.
Eh? Hey!
I'm tired of people mocking me in this community. I want to settle down.
Good. You've made a good decision. Is that why you are crying? It is a thing of happiness, joy. Rejoice. Be proud. Eh? Hey, you don't really know what you have done for me. You've just made me a proud mother. Baby. Stop now. Don't go Fuma. Just go house. I've made food for you. Let me rush down and come back. I'm going soon. I will see you soon. Just be happy.
This life, eh? My uncle that facilitated my deport just to make sure I get married has given up in looking for a wife. Maazị Ndoka, including Nana, both of them opted out. Can you imagine? Including Nana, they have all opted out.
But Daddy, the truth is actually bitter. But the truth is that you are a disaster with relationships. I don't even know how you went so far with my mother.
You're very stupid to say that. Who is a disaster? Were you there? The women I normally end up with are the disasters.
All of them disaster, and you are the only one.
Example, your
Only
mother.
like you.
Your mother messed up. We were together, but she left me and started dating her boss. And her boss later used her for ritual. Is that my fault?
Boy, if she didn't leave, she will sit down in your hand one way or the other. Too much fight, too much taste, high taste.
Shut up. Shut up. And let me inform you, my next wife to be will soon be here. I don't want her to complain about you because in the real sense, you are the disaster around here.
Me?
Yes, you are disaster. I don't want her to complain about you. Let this one stay. Please. Respect her.
I hope la wife la good, la wash clothes, la everything good.
Okay, she wash your clothes.
Something like that.
Why idiot?
Let me go sleep. Born new.
La Casara, Sevako.
La my slipper under your leg.
Like I just use away.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No. Felicia! Felicia! Come on, be fine with your Oh, my chum. Is the one.
One day you go jam your match.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's a beautiful girl. No, you're welcome.
This is Mazin Duka from Polycarp's family. He came to ask for your hand in marriage. You're welcome, sir.
No, you are just beautiful. Like mother, like daughter. Yeah? As a matter of fact, you are more beautiful than the way you were described.
Yes.
Yeah? So once you and Polycarp to build together, come together, build together, at least from the scratch. At the end of the day, once they agreed on each other, because they get to know each other closely, once they agreed that this marriage will hold, why not? We'll come and do the needful.
Is it not better to go straight to the point than all this build?
Mama, can you just stop? This is my decision to make, not yours.
Sir, I would have to know him first. Get to know Polycarp. Just give us a couple of weeks to know each other, to know if he's the kind of person I want to settle down with or not. Make it short, very short time.
Madam.
Are you that?
Marriage is not all about this is marriage.
Two families.
Mama,
family. I ain't wine.
Sir, thank you so much.
It's all right. I will, once I get home, I will now relate to Polycarp that you have agreed. Huh?
Yes.
So both of you can meet.
Bam. So she have agreed.
Thank you.
Boy, let me be on my way.
Oh, because when we are called this short.
See, the way you're so desperate about me getting married, what is it?
You will get married.
That was so shameful. You embarrassed me in his presence.
Where the cash shameful there? No, the way
you're just pushing me towards it. Someone I barely know. Mama, please stop it. Oh my God, now.
Polycarp and Sochi, Trouble don't enter village, yo. All the way from Gabon,
I can't wait to meet your daughter.
Oh, my daughter, beautiful soul. Very calm. She doesn't talk much. In fact, she's an introvert.
Oh, really?
Yes, very calm and lovely.
I mean, she's a wonderful baby.
Yes, don't worry, you see her soon.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Is she in school?
No, she dropped out. Something happened.
Okay. Can I enroll her in my school? Don't worry, I will take care of her.
You want to?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. She'll be so happy to hear this.
I can't wait.
Wow. Okay, please, what will I offer you?
I'm fine.
Don't say nothing. This is the first time I'm coming here and you're saying nothing. Please, what will you take?
I'm so happy being with you. So I don't
Okay, let me offer you at least one.
What?
Okay. Hey, merci beaucoup.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup. The feeling is too much. Is that this word? We actually meant to be with each other, you know. I know. That reminds me, I'll be coming over tomorrow morning, so get your daughter ready, okay? I'm taking her to school. I've told you not to worry now. I'll take care of her. I've told you that. I came to buy popcorn. Mm-hmm. Okay. You don't have to worry, okay? Take care. Bye.
Sochi! Sochi! You're still sleeping! Will you get up from that chair? So you're still sleeping by this time? Eh?
Damn it. I can't believe I was dreaming about this woman.
Does this look like a dream to you? Does it? Now, get inside. Get ready for school this minute.
Aujourd'hui, maintenant. Le papa. Calm down. Okay?
You're telling me to calm down?
Hold on. But are you being serious or about what she just said now? I should go to school. Who does that? Why? Why should I do that?
Hey! You have not seen the real seriousness in me. Out!
Hey! Encore.
I said you should get out.
What?
Go and get ready for school.
Encore. Hold on. Hold it there.
1,
2 for there.
2.
Polycarp, Sochi her daughter.
Are you back from school by this time?
God forbid Lamila stay for that place. I cannot stay in the same space with that wild animal. That lady is too dangerous for human life.
I hope we are not referring to teacher Felicia.
Who else? She's the one now. She's supposed to be locked in a zoo.
Huh?
To allow her to be roaming about with free people. No, it's not good. Well, that aside, I don't want to go there again. Let me just stay in your house more.
Huh? You will go to your father's house. So that your father will know that you are back from school.
Let me stay here small. I'll go later.
Soshima, go to your father's house.
I'm not entering inside your house. Let me just stay here small.
Soshima, are you sure you are ready to go to school?
La cold water. La eyes. La eyes. La system la hot. La weather la hot.
Ice water. Cold water. This is not veranda hole. We don't have light here.
La water cold, small, la nothing at all.
Does it mean you didn't get me? We are not in veranda pole. This is our own country. No light. No fridge.
La you la poor way. La you la poverty, same line. Poverty, la poor.
Polycarp and Sochi. Trouble don't enter village, yo. All the way from Gabon. Francophone, lava. Poly, Sepapaya.
Where is Sochi?
I think she's inside.
Sochi left school during break time after successfully enrolling her in school. Can you imagine that nonsense? All my effort. Sochi!
Sochi? Oui. Sochi? Oui.
Hey! Come here.
Your teacher said you left school during break time. True or false?
You see me enter, you not asking me. Why are you asking me now? Why now?
Let's see you pass. I thought it's school time is over. Let's see you pass. I don't talk to you. Am I monitoring spirit?
Oh, she got back. You didn't even ask her questions.
I think the time of school don't reach now. I was busy on my phone.
Lie, yo. Why are you lying? You just put the lie. Why the lie? No, now you don't need to lie.
Hey, shut up. Shut it. So, this is it. Huh? This is how you want to deal with your future, right? I will not watch you jeopardize your life. I promise you that. I must surely sharpen you with proper education, whether you like it or not.
Did you seek my consent before you enrolled into that school? Did you just put somebody side school? You never asked me if I want. You just put me side school. Who does that? Why will you do it?
Lavu slapper. Why won't you take your studies seriously? You left school during break hours and you are here doing church. Stop. Lavu lava.
Is it by force? It's not by force.
Hey, is that how you talk to your father? Hey. So you sit here at Polycarp, listening to your daughter's jargons coming out from her mouth.
She's my only daughter.
I'm disappointed.
I will handle this. Sepa, I will handle this. Listen, you must take your studies seriously and that's on final.
Listen. You are here for my father and that's on period. I don't have any business with you.
Huh? Lavu.
Who's Lepa?
Lavu.
Alright, oui.
Lavu.
Oui.
I will talk to her about it.
Okay.
She'll be more serious with us.
Is that how you're raising your daughter?
I will talk to her.
Oh. Mama, how was your day? Very rough. Don't worry. Some days are like that. How about your man, Polycarp? Ma, I don't want to talk about it. Are you both quarreling so soon? Ma, I'm not just impressed at all. I mean, I enrolled his daughter into school. I And she's not taking it seriously. I was expecting Polycarp to man up, be a man, caution his daughter. But he just so mute, like he's not saying anything until I spoke up. His behavior towards his daughter is not adding up. It's not something I can deal with. It's somehow.
Felicia, don't be too hard on him. My dear, you don't know the kind of bond he has with his daughter. You are just new into their life. You have to be calm with them. Follow them wayo, biko. Jinu wayo ne sofa. I don't want to miss this man. Oh. I don't want to miss him. He in a brother and just jinu wayo ne sofa.
I've heard you. I will try. I hope so. I'll try. Let me go and freshen up. I'm stressed.
Thank you.
Did you cook? I'll go.
Go and eat. But remember, follow them wayo, big wayo.
You wait for Namada.
Cleanly first before
yes,
follow.
Biko,
I don't want to miss this man. Hey.
Child, one man food is another man poison. I don't see him.
Sachi? Be first.
La professor, leave me alone. I don't want to go. Can't you go on your own? Why are you forcing me? Leave me alone.
Say what?
Leave me alone. I don't want to go. It's not by force. Okay?
I should leave you alone.
Don't do it, leave me.
My friend, move it.
No.
You must go to school. You must.
You see this thing you are doing? Just will I deal with you? I will deal with you in a way that you will never forget.
Is that a threat?
No, that's a promise.
A promise. See, I don't have time for small kicks like you. I'm a teacher. I don't have patience. Move it. I said you move it. Come on, move it. I said move it.
I have the right. I have woman rights. I have my right of freedom of speech. You cannot deprive me of my rights.
I move it. Walk fast.
I'm not walking fast.
I said you should walk fast. Is that a threat?
This is how I walk.
I said walk fast. One.
I will just deal with you in this village. You will never forget it.
Polycarp, I'm here to be certain before moving forward to avoid affliction rising the second time. Now, tell me your experience with Felicia. Are you ready now to pay her bride price, or do you still want some time?
I think she's fit for marriage, but at the same time, I still need more time to study her well. Makana manjima, makana ayungwanya, makaweje olu ubedo ili. No, she's fit for marriage, but at the same time, let's not rush it. I'm studying her. Let me study her more. Once I'm done, we will proceed and do the needful.
But you have been seeing each other for the past 1 week now. Oh, what time again do you need?
So who says 1 week is the mandate for a man to confirm whether he will marry a girl or not? 1 week is small now. I'm not buying a bottle of Coke. We're talking about marriage. Let me study her more. Give me a little time. Once I'm convinced that she's the right person, we will proceed. How much is bride price? Are we there here now?
It's all right. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Thank you very much. Ojodi Napa.
What are you doing? How many times will I tell you something before you understand?
I'm telling you that there's no how two can divide one without remainder.
What? Remainder what?
Earth inconvenient. Two cannot divide one without remainder.
Are you okay? Who taught you that?
I'm
Is this
telling
kindergarten or what? Eh? Use your calculator.
I'm using calculator. See, 2 divide 1. See, error. Even calculator, a boss calculator heads.
What did you press?
If you are confused, 2 divide 1 equals to error.
Is this a square root or division? What are you doing?
What square root and division?
Come on, let's take this. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's square. You know, I don't understand more of English. It's French I deal with.
I will break your head. Don't mess with me. Do what I ask you to.
Ojoduilo, French.
Hey, don't speak that nonsense here. Press the calculator.
Times it.
2 divided by 1. It's not even working. It's still giving me 2. It's not even...
It's still not the answer.
2 is the answer. Is that why it's giving me 2? Wait now. Yeah, you cannot be teaching somebody.
Come on, let's take this.
Teach me calmly. La professor, teach me kindly. I press 2 divide 2. It's giving me 2. You not give me answer.
I can never be soft with you. You need iron hand, and that iron hand I will give to you.
So which one is the answer?
Continue.
Which one is the answer? Papa. Let this teacher leave this house. See, if there's any way I've wronged you, please forgive me. But help me and chase that teacher away.
Someone is trying to help you and you are being silly.
I beg Unamuna help me. See me so. I don't want help. Don't help me. Let me no want help.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Could have fear me no want help.
Listen, if anything happens to her, I will personally kill you myself.
You will kill me. If you don't chase her, I'll drink poison and die. If I'm not go kill her, you want to kill me, your daughter, because of woman. Because of... Oh, aujourd'hui les pas.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Aujourd'hui les pas. That's how you want it.
Some boss in the girl.
That's how you want it. No problem.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Je vois le bout, je parle pas. All right. All right.
Allow the food I ate to digest.
Je vois le bout, je parle pas.
Sochi, get up. So you take your medication. Okay. So sorry. You'll be fine, yeah? Come on, stand up. You're sweating.
Loud.
You're hot. I'll take this enough. Well, your body is not hot.
My signature.
Ah. Okay. We have to start with this first.
Don't worry, I just need to sleep. Nothing, I don't need
No. You can't rest without medication.
I don't need let me know my body system better than anybody. If I take medicine, I will not be sick.
Sochi. You can't do this to your dad, okay? You know he's worried.
No, if I take medicine, I'll not be bigger sick.
No, you're not. It will make you feel alright. You're going to take it. Eh? Good girl.
I need a vomit.
No. Take this one first. In your hand. Just take it, eh? Take it.
I need a vomit.
Don't vomit it. Eh? I spent a lot. Don't vomit it. Take this one and take this one. Hurry now. Sochi? Sochi? Sochi, are you okay?
Sochi her daughter.
This man is trying to make me go through hell in my own father's house. God damn it! God damn it! In my father's house? Oh no! No. I won't take that. I won't take that shit. Okay? I won't take it.
Yes.
Not in this house.
That's better.
Never!
Yes.
This woman wants to make me go through hell in my father's house.
Can you imagine?
No. I'm not doing that. My father is telling me that he loves her so much. But me? Jola detests. Excusez-moi. Jola detests. Yes, I don't like her.
That's bad. You said
if she comes to this house, that means my life is shattered. I don't even know what to do to her. God damn it!
You said she's a teacher, right?
Pull over.
You said she's a teacher, right?
According to her, yes. La professor.
Well, I think we should teach her some lessons. Yes, let's show her Pepe. By so doing, it will calm down her pressure.
How do you want to do that? I just told you that I don't know what to do. I don't know how to handle her. How do you want to do that?
I think I have an idea. Yes, I have an idea.
Tu comprends? Répétez.
I said, let's show her some pepper. Yes, let's teach her a lesson. By so doing, it will calm down her pressure.
So how do you want to achieve that? How do you want to do it? Because I just told you that I don't know what to do to her. Encore? Répétez encore.
I think I have an idea. Yes.
Two?
Yes. I have an
You
idea.
have an idea?
Yes, I have an idea.
Oui!
Yes,
oui!
oui.
Ce n'est pas le problème.
L'ami, la tille.
Wouh! Wouh! Merci beaucoup! Merci beaucoup! Vous ne pas! Vous ne pas!
All the way from Gabon, Francophone, lava.
Lukusa, mama brukutuku mama ye. Abrukutuku mama. Lukusa, mama brukutuku mama ye. Awileka. Calm down. Calm down.
What's funny? What are you celebrating?
Je l'appelle à moi. La celebrate.
Will you shut up? Wait, are you celebrating that I lost my lesson notes?
Oh, no. God damn it, me. No.
Or is there something in your chest that you want to let out?
Just really no.
Will you shut up? What are you speaking?
Okay. Tu comprends aujourd'hui? No worry. I'm going to brief you. I'm going to tell you some things. It is what happened in my place. I'm just happy.
Keep quiet. Do you think I'm a baby? Do you think I'm a fool? Hey. You better be careful. Say it, I want to hear.
Okay, you want to hear my story?
Yes, I want to hear.
Oh, wow. That's so demastering. So, you know what? No. Don't go there. You know what? All right. I'm going to go and peace while you sit here and wait for me. Just sit with freedom in your heart. Be happy, relax, and wait for me. I'm going to go and urinate. Let me go and excrete the inorganic bombardium inside the system to avoid botanical explosion, disaster. Okay? I'm coming.
Vous l'avouez. I want to talk to you.
I want to sleep. I'm not in the mood.
It's serious and important. Listen, you comprends?
What is it?
I have decided to make you my wife. Talk your own.
Me, I haven't told.
You haven't? Why? Did I do something wrong?
Of course you did. You did something wrong. Oh yes. For the fact that you cannot control your daughter is a total red flag. I can't deal with it. Am I even sure that she's not the one that took my lesson note? Huh? Your upbringing towards your daughter is no. You're not doing your job as a parent. You're not. I'm even trying my best to straighten up her head so that she will become a better woman. But everything I'm doing is impossible. Listen, I cannot marry you until I see changes. That's the only thing. Because I want to sleep. I'll go back to bed.
C'est pas pagnard. C'est pas pagnard.
Sochi. What did your father tell you before bringing Felicia into this house? Didn't he ask you not to jeopardize Felicia's stay in this house?
He said it. But did I jeopardize? Did I jeopardize? Jeopardize Lami? Or did you jeopardize my father, Lami, in any way?
I'm not the one you're asking that one. Your father is threatening to disown you.
Why?
Should Felicia leave this house because of you?
So, la papa, la disown me, via apparaît woman. Because of woman, la papa, la disown me. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wow, wow. Aujourd'hui, la vous, la pas. Aujourd'hui, la vous, la pas. Like, what the hell? Wow, tout mon frère.
Such a nke tumopla. Ojodi lepa. Your father is really angry with you. Imagine Felicia that your father manages to like and you're trying to make him send her away. What is wrong with you, Sochi?
Where's my lesson notes? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not. Hey, Sochi. I hope it's not what I'm thinking, because I don't have that strength to start all over again. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Leave me. Lami la sick now.
I will deal with it.
Lami la sick.
Calm down.
Lami la sick. Not flog me now. Lami la not. Don't la kill me. I go. I don't have strength.
Oh, now you're sick.
But I don't have.
Hey, come on. What's the meaning of this? Sochi? Hey, see, you can't prank me. You cannot do this. You better stand up from there. Sochi?
What's going on here? Nabuda, Sochi? 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 What happened? You killed my daughter?
No. Just...
What have you done?
I didn't do anything to her. Do you know I found my lesson note in her bag?
You found your lesson note in her bag. Is that why you killed her?
I did not kill her. Like, I flogged her butt and she collapsed.
You flogged her butt and she collapsed. And I revived her. Bring her back to life now, else I will kill you here, bury you here, slaughter you here, and disfigure your corpse here.
Sochi, you better wake up, oh. Let this not be a prank, oh. You better wake up. You know she pranks a lot.
If I slap you, I say revive her. Ojodi, je revive.
Sochi!
Je revive.
Sochi!
Je revive one. Je revive two.
Tell her to wake up. She knows what she's doing.
Je revive. Ojodi l'appelle. Ojodi l'appelle. So you have successfully beaten my one and only daughter into coma. Hey, all in the name of teaching her what I don't know. I don't understand. What are you teaching her? Revive her because I will kill you. There is no two ways about this. If my daughter dies, you are dying with her. So no this and no peace.
Polycarp. So this is what you think of me all this while. After all the love, the care, the praises. Trying so hard to sharpen your daughter into being a better woman. This is what you think of me.
You are trying to sharpen her to her early grave. What are you, Madam Sharpener? What are you sharpening?
Please, calm down, Polycarp. Please. I think we must settle this amicably. Moreover, Sochi is still breathing. The major thing we should be saying now is to take her to the hospital.
I don't care how she will revive my daughter. My own is, you must revive my daughter, else I will kill you here and now. Revive my daughter for me. I say you should take her to the hospital. Who will pay?
I will pay if that is the case. I will pay.
If you pay, now take care now. You don't want to go to any doctor. Please, you don't do this to me, please.
I don't want to marry again. Go ahead and marry your daughter, okay? See, I don't want to go to prison or die before my time, as you said. My hands are off anything that concerns your daughter, even her education. No way! I'm done!
Atta, I'm sorry.
Atta what?
Don't do this. Please. Let she love you.
Leave me alone. I will break your head, though. I will break your head. Just let me go.
Child, one man food is another man poison. I don't see her move. Polly and her daughter, a bird at hand. It's worth more than $1 million. In the bush, you Polly want them.
Felicia.
Polly put on no biggie.
Mama, I'm done. It is over. I'm no longer with Polycarp. I'm done.
No, now, you don't have to say like that. It's a normal thing to fight in a relationship, but at the same time, both of you settle it amicably.
Please, Mama, please stop it. Stop. I might be desperate, but I'm not stupid. Polycarp is not the man for me, okay?
Mba, what makes you a matured woman then?
Tell me. Mama, because I don't need this now. Or if it's I'm hungry, forget about him.
I can't.
Or if it's
man, matter of his here.
I mean, my father's house, can you just let me be?
Mba, why are you a teacher then? You have wisdom, apply your wisdom.
My brother, aujourd'hui la vous. There is fire on the mountain. Felicia just left. She said she's done with me, she's not going to marry me, and that it is over between us. Please, I don't want that to happen. Talk to her, bring her back for me, please.
Polycarp. Why is it that each time we are trying to make things easy for you, you are hell-bent on making it difficult for yourself? How could you talk to that woman in that manner, knowing fully well that your daughter Sochi is a very cunning girl?
You know she's my only daughter. Let's not deviate. I will talk to my daughter later. But for now, let's focus on Felicia. Make her come back. Please. Sebo.
Anyway, I will go talk to her. But not today, tomorrow. Okay. I will talk to her. I will go to her place and talk to her. And by that time, I hope that her anger must have calmed down.
Sebo.
But you have to pray. You have to pray, Polycarp, that she changes her mind and come back. Oh.
Help me. She will. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Polycarp.
Merci beaucoup.
And you can never.
Sochi her daughter.
So wonderful.
Trouble every day.
Sochi.
Papa.
Sochi.
Yes, Papa.
Sochi.
Yes, Papa.
How many times did I call you?
Ojodwila 3 times.
Who sent you?
Nobody.
Who sent you to come and kill me?
Nobody.
You are nobody. So you decided on your own to make life miserable for me. Do you want to kill me before my time?
Sorry. It's not intentional. Will not do it again.
You 1 week, 1 trouble. 1 week, 1 trouble. 1 week, 1 trouble. Sochi?
Aujourd'hui, viens merci.
Aujourd'hui, viens merci. Aujourd'hui, viens merci.
With the way I see Polycarp, he meant what he said. Dying a single man.
To fiakwa. Uncle said to fiakwa. How can you even say something like that? That means his lineage ended. It's not good now. We'll find a way to give him a wife.
Ese to fiakwa. Oboro no. That means something has to be done. It has already proved almost impossible for him to get a wife. Nana, I think we have to figure out a way he will get married, with or without a choice.
Bam! Bam, uncle. That is the right thing to do. with or without his consent. Why? Because now, I don't understand this one. He don't want to marry, he want to die single. It cannot happen.
Single.
All the way from Gabon, Francophone, lava, Poli Polimwa, c'est papaya, Côte d'Ivoire, confusion there, Polika Pansochi, trouble don't enter village, yo. All the way from Gabon, Francophone, lava, Sochi my daughter, c'est papaya, qu'est-ce qu'un avion, confusion there. Polika Pansochi, they be two of a kind. Father and daughter, them choice in no be here. All the ladies don't gather. Oh. Who go be the spec? Who go be their choice? They no be my spec. You no be my type. You get to what thing I want. If I see him, I know. Pot February, mademoiselle, qu'est-ce qu'un avion? You know be my type, my spec.
I missed you. Look at how you're growing.
You know, my mom has been pressuring me. Okay. Marry, get Lodi.
When I'm here. You know it's not possible now. Me or no other.
I thought you're not coming back.
Why won't I come back now? You know now, love brought me back. Of course, you know. I know. Oh, Malicha, who is that? Who is calling?
Polycap.
Give me the phone. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Listen, Polycap, listen to me. Listen. I don't want you to call this line again. Are you not hearing what I'm saying? I don't want you to call this line again. She's my woman. Yes. I have told you, if you call this number again, it will not be funny. I got back on go. I'm telling you. No, but this guy is very, very mad. I don't understand. See, block him. Block him like right now. Block him. When I'm here, I don't understand.
And he's too local. Even his daughter. I don't know what that is. They said he's precious.
Ojo, do you know? Say I'm the reason he chased the wife. How can I be the reason you chased your wife? When you are picking wife for yourself. You're not even picking wife for me. You want to choose a wife as father and daughter. You choose wife that will be okay for me and you, not only you. Tu comprends? Tu comprends, Messi? Tu veux la voir? Tu veux la voir? Oui.
Nana, I think I have an idea on how to resolve this marriage problem of our brother Polika.
Uncle, please, what do you have in mind? I'm all ears.
Nana, you are still a kid. We will marry for him.
And if he refuses, Uncle?
Nana, there is no how Polika will refuse a wife duly married for him. Marriage right completed. No way, he can't do that.
Chelo, Uncle. You are running too much. I want to understand what is happening here. What do you mean by a marriage right duly completed and everything sorted? What are you talking about?
Yes. We will arrange the wedding and get both of them wedded.
Okay. Gee, Uncle, him in here. Like, we will find a wife for him. We'll arrange the wedding, the traditional wedding and everything.
Bam.
And we will invite him as a guest. Not knowing that he's not getting married. Hi,
Once
Uncle.
he gets there.
Dear. Uncle, this is a bright idea. Why haven't you thought of these things since? You will be thinking backward. But this one is very, very good one.
Senses sometimes visits.
It
doesn't remain or leave.
Uncle, this is a very good idea. I support it very well. Very, 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 very well. We'll invite him as the wedding guest, not knowing he's the one getting married. Obio Zugbo ebulu manya bunya. Onwe na lamanya okwu agugo. Hi, uncle, I support this one. Let it solve this problem.
Once and for all.
See what is happening. Let us find a way to solve it. Oh, no, song. Man, uncle, who is this girl that you are talking about? Because I don't, we have to find a girl and make the girl agree first before all these things.
We have so many beautiful girls in our community. So many of them. We can select one. Okay. Talk sense into her. Yes.
Epic yofu. Agwe hoche, Hi, Uncle Diego. Uncle Diego. If you go why I jibolo cartel. I don't do things with Indian Henisi. This is very good. Yeah. It will solve the whole problem.
Oui. Bonsoir. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
Sochi, whatever you are saying, I can't understand it. How is your father?
My father? La fine. My father? La fine.
What do you mean?
My father? Aujourd'hui, maintenant. Moi, tu comprends? Et tout? Oui.
Biko, Sochi, whatever you are saying, I can't understand. But I need to have a discussion with you in my compound today.
Me?
Yes.
Hope no problem.
No problem, but it's important.
Répétez.
I said it's important.
Encore. All right. All over. But my father? Parle papa. Ce n'est pas le problème. Honestly, my father, la internal heat, la heart, la headache. I really want to make it up to my father. Seeing him broken has really changed something in me. La vuvudo. So in that case, I want to make it up to him. That is why I will comply with any plans you have for him.
Thank you very much.
Monsieur?
Thank you very much, Sochi.
Over.
You have spoken well, Sochi. In fact, you have spoken like a true daughter of this family. Uncle, what's the way forward?
You know, as you, both of you were speaking French, I didn't understand. But now you have spoken to me, I think I can understand. I've told us before that I've seen a wife for Polycarp. Though Polycarp may not realize what we are doing for him now, but as soon as he realizes, he will thank us. As per the girl's name is Ebere. Mazo Okoro's daughter. You know Mazo Okoro?
Yes, I know Mazo Okoro.
Though the girl has been away from this community for a long time. She was in her mother's place learning trade. In her mother's place. But now she's back in her community. And she's ready to settle down.
That solves it now.
Yes.
There's nothing to waste time about. Let's start going immediately.
You don't need to say that. Why are we here? That is why we're here.
Very well. Let's start going.
All right. Vous l'êtes pas.
As you wish. Let's go and as you wish it there.
You're welcome to my home. No.
Mazi, meet Sochi, my brother's daughter. That is the man that is going to marry your daughter. Meet Nana, also my brother. So, we've come to ask your daughter's hand in marriage. And we are prepared. As soon as everything works, we swing into action. But meanwhile, as na ade jebo ke baraka.
Mazi, I know this may sound absurd, but our people say that when the beat of a music changes, the dance steps also changes. Mazi, we have tried everything humanly possible to find a wife for our brother, but all to no avail. That is why we held the competition. We organized the competition we organized so as to find someone for him, someone befitting of his taste. Huh? That is it. All we have.
I know that I'm not supposed to talk because maybe I've not reached the level of which I'm supposed to talk when elders like you all are talking. But there is something I want to say. Josuela says something very important. My father is not happy. And I must confess, I am one of the reasons he is not happy. I have used my nonchalant attitude to chase away all the women he brings to the house to marry. And it's not good. That is why I want to make things right now. I want to make things right. I am fully in for anything that will restore joy and happiness in my father's life.
And what if he doesn't accept? And my daughter's long years suffering in the marriage, what happens?
Mazi, I personally choose your daughter because I know what your daughter carries. Your daughter is a kind of woman every man prays for. She will melt his heart. Yes.
Well, I'm not the one that is to be married, but my daughter. I can't say much. Let me call her so that we hear from her before we move forward. Ebere! Ebere! Can you... Biano, Adanne. Come! Come. Good thing have come. That thing we have been expecting. These are the people who have come for your hand in marriage. You know I'm not the one they are going to marry. You have to talk. Eh?
Okay, Papa. They won't.
So how do you see it?
La perfect for my father. Ojodi Laton. Laton. This la for la nyash. My papa la love la nyash la big. Ojodi la perfect for my father. Perfect.
That's all.
I hope she have to see the person she's going to marry.
Yes.
Oh yes.
She will.
Yes.
Ah.
Wesh, attends. Qu'est-ce qu'elle avait?
Greetings, sir.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my compound?
Sir, my name is Iberi. I'm here to see Sochi.
What has she done this time around? Because I know she's full of trouble.
No, sir, she did not do anything, no. As a matter of fact, we are friends.
Eh? Friends?
Yes, sir.
With my daughter Sochi?
Yes, sir.
And I'm not aware.
Yes, sir. Well, you know now. Sir, is she in?
Thread BMS. She's not inside.
Okay, sir. When she returns, just tell her that Ebere.
Ojodi Lavu. Leave this place. Must you call while talking? When she returns. Ojodi Lave. Lago. Lavu. Madam Koila. Where are you coming from?
La goes arrange things.
Since when did you start keeping friends in this village? Someone came here looking for you. By name, Ebere.
Oh, Ebere, starting dating now. My friend, dating. It's been long. La vous, la me, la friend, you know. Hey, don't worry, let me go out. If I come back, we'll talk. I want to go out and something. Okay?
Ata! Ata!
La cool everything.
La, come here. La, come here.
La everywhere cool.
La, come here. Be careful. Be careful. I'm warning you. Be careful. Be careful.
Wait. Like it.
I love you. Sebo. You prepared this?
Yes, sir. But there is my friend that assisted me. She taught me how to make it, so we did it together.
I love it. The bitter leaf is alive. It's beautiful. I love it.
Bon après-midi.
Midi après.
Oh, oui, oui.
Midi après.
Oui. C'est pas.
Oh.
Mademoiselle, qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? You know be my type, but I respect you.
Who are you and what are you doing on my bed?
Honey, you're weak.
Who's your honey?
Oh, baby, it's you now.
What's going on here?
Stop, Joe.
How did you get here?
I'm your newly wedded wife, so just calm down.
Starting when?
Oh, stop.
Starting when?
Stop now.
I remember this face. You were Ebere, Sochi's friend. So she planted you here to force you on me.
That's not true. She did not. You're the one that. Oh, babe, I'm
I
your
did what?
wife. Babe.
Trapa Ojodi. Don't let me meet you here. Zaveme Kantavra. I said we.
Which of my friend?
The one that calls herself Ebere.
Oh, okay, you even know her name. Wow.
She came the other day looking for you. What did she do in my bed?
I think you should just say, what is your stepmother doing in my room? Half naked. Oh, she's supposed to be half naked.
Sava?
Sava bien merci. But you? She's supposed to be half naked. She's a wife.
My wife? Your stepmother?
Yeah, you don't remember.
Starting when? Who made her your stepmother?
Since yesterday. You married yesterday. You don't remember.
I married yesterday and I'm not aware.
Yes, I came for your wedding. I spray you $1. That dollar no be small money. I spray plenty dollar. La dollar la me la spray.
Oh, branche aujourd'hui que c'est la fille au show.
Yesterday. It's just that you were just unconscious throughout, but you were just spray. Yes, now you don't remember.
Wait, everything is set.
Everything is set.
Yes.
The people that will come and carry my father and uncle.
Don't bother yourself. They are ready.
They should do fast so that the thing will not clear from his eyes.
Nana, go and dress him. Let me go and get those boys.
No problem, Uncle.
Please be
No
fast.
problem. I got it.
Today is a very big day for me and my family. A very glorious day. As we are concluding the marriage ceremonies of my daughter, Ebere and Polika. Hey! I thank all of you for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Come and share the drink together.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha all over the clockies. Clock, 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 clock that shit. Clock that shit. Yeah. Alright, to compra. Au revoir, ben merci. So, thank you all. Merci beaucoup for coming to my papa's wedding. Alright? So now, au revoir. Au revoir, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Clack, clack, clack.
I married yesterday.
Yes. Bon appétit, bonsoir, bon nuit, bon wedlock.
And I'm not aware.
Yes.
Aujourd'hui t'as fait. Aujourd'hui t'as fait. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui t'as fait. Si. Lava. You're very stupid. You people drugged me and wedded me against my wish. Are you mad? Why will you support them to drug me and get me married against my wish? Aujourd'hui t'as fait. Nanduka. How dare you? What is the meaning of this madness? You people drugged me and wedded me to a total stranger. This is the height of madness. I swear, go and evacuate that Eguke from my house, else I will kill her.
Polika, Ebi Meru. Ebi Meru. And don't call that beautiful woman Eguke.
Vula.
Listen, since you arrived, we have been smooth and understanding. We have been working hand in hand just to get you a wife. But anytime we get one, you will have reasons to turn it down, jeopardizing our effort. We are tired.
You cannot impose such obligations on me.
We can, and we have done it already, sir. You see that beautiful girl at your house? She is your wife. Her marital rights has been paid in full from A to Z.
To you, she's beautiful. To me, she's ugly. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Listen real good. This is total madness. First thing first, you people committed an offense by drugging me. I don't want to go that side. Vula va. Secondly, you people wedded me against my wish. That's another offense. Thirdly, you conspired with my daughter. That's offense number 3. The only reason both of you are not bleeding now is because we are bloodly related. But you see that woman in my house, go and evacuate her, else. Vula va.
Polika, let me tell you. If you want to live long, don't harm that girl.
La Musios, listen. No panic. La no panic, la me, la handle everything. Alright?
I trust you.
All over.
Nice one. Good one.
Also, Polika capital.
I wonder.
Why? He did not touch his food. Where did he go to? Oh God. Again, not again, not again. Oh God, I'm just tired though. I'm tired. What kind of attitude is this one? Nothing on earth will ever please him. Eh? Where did he now go to? No, I don't think he's at the backyard. Ah, God. Just tired. I'm tired. Eh? What kind of life is this?
See, I'm sorry for everything you have put it to me especially. I'm sorry. That is why I agreed to this. I know that Auntie Felicia will be happy wherever she is, and that is why I want you two to be happy.
This is the height of wickedness. Ojodi tu compra. Upon all the girls in the world, you people gathered and brought someone without bomb for me to marry. That's life imprisonment now. I can't do that.
But the ones with Inyashi that you brought to this house, they did not end well now. That is why we decided to change package.
Who asked you to change package for me, Obasabi? It's better I have someone with bomb and without sense than someone with sense and without bomb.
See, life is not all about Nyash. Life, there are more to life. Life is not about Nyash only.
Me will produce you. Now you sit down here and tell me about life. You're very, very stupid. Will you shut up? What do you know about life? Now you tell me about life now. Now you won't lecture me about life. My own life is all about bomb. Yes. Our mama, what do you know about life? Listen, don't tell me what life is all about. I will choose what my own life is all about. I cannot marry someone that has no bomb. Final. Ojodio, what is that idiot?
I'm begging you, please don't throw my things out. I'm begging you.
If I slap, can't leave this place.
Don't throw my things outside now, please. I'm your
You married yourself.
Please.
Did I marry you? Did you see me in your father's house? I cannot marry a woman without bomb. Ojodi, you go in.
Please, for God's sake, don't throw me out. I'm still your wife. Please,
You are not my wife. You married yourself. Leave. You don't have bomb.
I
Ojodi,
have bomb.
which hair bomb?
Look at this.
It's too small for me. I don't like this one. It's too small. Ojodi.
I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. Please, please.
I've tried.
Abel, what is the problem? Why are you crying?
I served my husband food and he did not even touch it.
Is that why you're crying?
You will not understand.
Abel, listen. Don't cry. Stop this crying. This is your husband's house. You go nowhere. We have been so lenient with Polycarp. And this time around, enough is enough.
But he does not want me in this house.
Says who?
His actions, his rights, everything about him. He does not want me.
Like I said, this is your husband's house. You are going nowhere. You must live with Polycarp, whether he likes it or not. You can take the food inside. Stop crying.
You will not understand. It's because you're not living here with me, that's why. You will not understand.
What is wrong with Polycarp? You said you don't know where he went, right?
No, I don't know. He's here.
Hey.
Polycarp.
My uncle.
Polycarp.
What's going on?
Let me warn you. This is the last time you will send your wife out of this house just because of food. Or what? Polycarp, if you care for food, go and cook.
Point of correction, this girl is not my wife. She's the wife you people forced on me under duress. Tu comprends? She's not my wife. So let her go back to wherever you people picked her from. That's some period.
She's not your wife, says who? Now, let me tell you. This is your husband's house. Yes. This is your house. Okay. Be comfortable here. Stop being afraid of him.
That means you don't like her teeth, so you are giving her confidence to stay in my house by force. You don't like her face because I will disfigure it. You can't impose a woman on me. Did you see me in your father's house? Am I the one that paid your bride price? Avoid me. I don't like you. As I look you like this and advance, I hate you for no reason. Nyash you don't get, breast you don't get. What am I doing with you? Oh, Jonita tupe compra.
Polycarp, let me put this into your skull. These girls people wouldn't want to see her tears drop. And remember, you know the purpose of this marriage. You are gradually approaching your deadline.
These girls people wouldn't want to see her tears. How many army generals are in her people? No, how many native doctors are in her people now? How many aboros? Why should I be afraid? For your own good, leave this place or go to his own house. You are not my wife. Makikuri Gonu.
Are you afraid of him? Go inside this one.
When last guy, I will elbow you.
Ebere, go inside. Enter inside, it's your house. Nonsense.
Name of the Father Lord, I thank you. I give you the glory. I give you the honor. I give you adoration. Let your name alone be highly exalted in the name of Jesus. Father Lord of God, I cannot do on my own. I pray that may you guide and protect me. Protect this household. Protect my husband. Protect Sochi. Whatever thing he lays his hands on shall be prosper. Father Lord of God, in any way we've sinned against you, knowingly and unknowingly, by our thoughts, words, looks, and actions, I ask for your mercy, O God. Let your mercy speak on our life. Let your mercy speak in whatever thing we are doing, O God. Show us mercy in the name of Jesus. Wherever place my husband has been forgotten, O God, Father, may you touch their heart to remember him, O God. Father, O King of glory, let your will be done in his life, O God. Whatever he lays his hands on, O Lord, Father, will favor him. You say you bless the works of our hands, O God. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Father, we cannot do without you, O God. Father, no power will stop him. Every foundational power that is speaking on his life, O Lord, by the reason of anointing breaks every yoke, every curse, every foundation, O God. Father, O King of glory, I pray that may you restore his lost glory in the name of Jesus. Why is he not back? He left the house this morning and he's not yet back. What is going on? Something is not right.
Is another man poison. I don't see her. Polly and her daughter, a bed at hand. It's worth more than $1 million in the bush. Polly want them. Polly
Here you are. Please, you have to hurry down to Mama Ikena Jones now. Oga Fonika looks drunk.
Beautiful, beautiful, fine girls. Man, get well if you got 80. Man, get well better.
Hello, Sochi, where you dey? Which one be there around? I don't search and not see you, and I make me they call you. Okay, I beg no vexing. I won't make go my papa side go bring food stuff. You know say your father never come back, and I need to cook. Okay. I beg again, just hurry up, eh? Okay, thank you so much. I'm waiting. Alright.
Hey, I'm going to wait for you now. Might go bath. Okay, alright.
Polycarpo, Sochi her daughter. Trouble every day.
Ojodi, on a meal affair. How are you, my baby?
Fine.
Fine. Where is Sochi?
She went to my father's house to get foodstuffs. She will soon be back.
That's good.
I'm not looking bad.
Thank you. Thanks once again for yesterday, okay? I remember nothing, but the only thing I remember was I vomited, right?
Yeah, but it's okay. It's nothing. At least makes you to regain yourself quickly.
Thank you very much.
Alright, you know what happened?
What?
Let's go inside. Let me give you
Oh, this is the best food for body and soul.
Touch it, it's yours.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
Oh. Why do you like treating me as if I'm a baby?
That's because you're a baby.
Me, that is a baby?
Yes.
So if I'm a baby, what is Sochi?
She's a little baby.
Baby, this is foreign number from Gabon.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Bonjour mon ami, qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Ça va? Oui. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. Oui. C'est pas païen.
I told you I will catch you, Abby. I told you I will catch you and I will teach you Stop it! What is it?
Ojodi, la forgive. La forgive.
This is between us and this little demon.
Oh, please, don't call her a demon. Whatever it is, I believe we can resolve it amicably.
Which amicably? This little one that you see here, so she can never apologize for all the wrong deed that she did to us with her father.
Voodoo apology.
I don't understand.
Why are you speaking all this grammar? What kind of English?
Okay, so I want to apologize. Let me apologize with my whole heart. Please, I'm sorry. Now forgive me. I'm sorry for everything I did. I know that I took advantage of the situation and made mockery of. I forgive both. Anything, please. But if you think in your heart that is punishment, you want to punish me, I will accept wholeheartedly. I will accept, please.
Get up.
Jodi will consider my apology. La forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. Just because we heard la forgive for inside there.
La forgive, please. La forgive.
She just rendered an apology. And from the point of my view, it came from a genuine heart. You girls should just let this go. I am begging you, just let it go, please.
Thank you.
Do we not take my stars?
What is that all about?
Joma pe tired, I swear. Just read the story. Story, la long. La calm down.
It's okay.
Le maison.
Let's go. Father Lord, I thank you. I give you praises. I call you the King of Kings, the Lord of Hosts. Baba home, the Rose of Sharon, the Mountain Melter. Father, I give you all the glory and all the honor. Thank you for everything you've done. Father, I pray that may you bless me, bless my husband, bless Sochi. I soak myself with the blood of Jesus. I soak my husband with the blood of Jesus. I soak Sochi with the blood of Jesus. No weapon fashioned against us shall prosper. Every tongue that rises against us in judgment shall be condemned. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father, Lord of God, bless the works of our hands in the mighty name of Jesus. Because I know my Redeemer liveth. Father, Lord of God, there is nothing you cannot do. Father, King of glory, I pray that may you be with us, guide us and protect us every our steps, whatever we lay our hands on, oh God. Father, King of glory, let your will be done in our lives in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, to you be all the glory. To you, Jesus, be all the honor. To you, ancients of the receive all the glory and adoration forevermore. Father, to you, Father, to you be all the honor.
Uncle, la OJBD, c'est ma 3. God has really blessed me the second time. Something special has happened in my life. In fact, God has decided to restore my life.
Really?
C'est bon. I got an invitation letter from Gabon. My flight ticket is sorted. Accommodation sorted. And they will be paying me in dollars. Excuse me. And they will be paying me in dollars. Dollars, uncle.
Hi.
I'm going back to Gabon as soon as possible.
Polycarp, honestly, this news gladdens my heart.
C'est pas le pas.
Have you told your wife?
I feel my horn.
Polycarp, searching her daughter.
I have good news.
Trouble every day.
Salah, sa vie, wadi sa vie. I have good news. Yes, God has blessed us.
Okay.
First, since I was deported back to this country, I have not experienced peace. But since you came into my life, you brought peace. Yes. And you did not only bring peace, you brought good luck too. Because as I'm talking to you now, I've gotten a new job, my flight ticket paid for, accommodation sorted, and they'll be paying me in dollars.
It's a lie.
I go lie for you.
Hey!
You compra.
Hey, thank God, though. I'm happy for you, only. Thank God.
The gist is that the company that gave me this job in Gabon, I wrote them and said, "Sir, madam, I need to come with my wife and daughter because I don't know how long I'll be spending there and I need to be comfortable." They approved it. So they use a Gabon, say me and my daughter, everybody Gabon.
Sami Salah. You know, I've been learning how to be speaking this language.
I say you're already in Gabon.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Oh,
God has done it for us.
God has done it too. This is God's blessing. Double. Oh. So Gabon.
I will just pack all my things.
So
we were.
Searching her daughter. Trouble every day. Wahala every day. Trouble no dey pay at all. Polycarp, searching her daughter. Trouble every day. Wahala every day. Trouble no dey pay at all. Polycarp, one more. We are ready for you. Any kind of girl where you want you, we go provide them. As far as you say you go marry her, we no get wahala. Make your choice. Delay is dangerous, oh, Polio. Make your choice.